getting water. The floor is wet. A lot of people think they're gonna need a heated core. It's not the heated core, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna remove these plastics, okay? Let's pull them out. You're gonna get a carpet, pull the carpet back all the way out. Okay, if your mechanic says it needs a heated core, he's trying to charge you hundreds of dollars, you might want to go home and try this first. You see this hose? Pull it, it goes right to the floor. It's supposed to be leaking right now. What happened, I don't know if it's spiders or something goes inside and it makes it clogs this thing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I follow the hose, twist and disconnect. First I'm gonna check the hose. Okay, so that's the hose. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blow in my mouth the end of the hose. Let's see. Okay, the hose is clear. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the hose back on and I'm gonna blow in to see if this if whatever is clogging this thing, it will move out of the way and it will start to come out. Okay, so I'm gonna blow it now with the hose on, and if it start to come out, I'm gonna hook up the hose quick on the hole so all the water goes towards the outside and not in the car. So now I'm gonna blow in my mouth. Oh yeah, see all the water? So that's a lot of garbage going out now. Now I'm gonna show you outside the car. You see the water? So now the whatever was clogging inside is still inside. Now you gotta go with a small screwdriver and trying to break it loose and get it out, because it's gonna get clogged again. So I'm gonna go get my little screwdriver to see if I can fish whatever it was stuck on. When I blow it, I saw a lot of dirt come out, so that might be the problem. But I don't want to take a chance, so now I'm gonna go and put a small screwdriver. Another thing that you should check always on your cars is that in the filter inside the glove compartment, they call the cabin filter. All right, so okay, I think we have another problem right here. We have the filter, first of all, it's upside down. Number two, oh, man, looks like a rat it was eating this filter. Okay, so that's another problem. All that stuff, it went inside and that's what's clogging the filter. So we might have a mice problem in this car. And the plastic that holds the cover on is missing. So we have another problem. But in your car, this thing's supposed to be, see the arrows, they facing down. This one, it was upside down. It's not a big deal, but it was backwards. And yeah, you should keep it clean, and definitely whatever it went through here, it got stuck down there. So for now, we're just gonna get a new filter and gonna try to buy this piece. All right, so remember, if you have a mess of water on the passenger side of your Toyota Sienna, a CRV, RAV4, don't go and pay the mechanic to do a heater core. Make sure you unclog this hose, the drain hose, and make sure your filter is good. And that's it. If it get clogged out again, might have to try to clean it again. Okay, but definitely this was the problem. I hope this helped you, so you don't spend thousands of dollars doing a heater core that you don't need. Okay, bye bye.